Hi everyone, my name is Yambot and I lead the forestry and environmental projects at Globhe. With a faulty view of reality, we tend to make faulty decisions. Globhe started in 2015 while our CEO, Helena Samsio, was flying drones in Africa. Since then, Globhe has taken up with the mission to fix this faulty view of reality by providing drone data worldwide. Today, I'm going to share with you truly amazing projects that we have done with truly game-changer organizations. The first project that I want to share with you is together with Explore.land. You saw it two presentations away, and they have an amazing project stage upstairs. And it was the video, the flyover video that you saw. As you can see, the project comes to life when you can see the true colors and what it actually looks like in reality. We did this together with YSL in Morocco to fly over this project and showcase it in a more engaging, powerful, and transparent way. Hopefully, we will refly this project over the years to showcase the conservation, growth, and development. We took an amazing 360 panorama that you can see at the Explore.land project. Now, imagine being that you're a huge international organization with several projects across the world that you need to keep track of. One of them are funded schools in Africa. You need to see how the development is going and what the construction is looking like. How do you do it? Do you send out your people? How frequent can you do this? Is it within the budget? And can you actually reach remote places without local knowledge? What we are doing together with the World Bank is mapping several schools throughout Africa to see the development of construction. And what used to be a virtually unreachable place turned into insightful data. This insightful data turned into accurate, high-resolution imaging to take decisions on how to move forward and what's happening in the places that should be happening something. With our friends in Globhe Forest, they are training an AI and machine learning model that it can be pretty tricky if the project that you need to map is 10,000 kilometers away from you in Paraguay. In Paraguay, we mapped a large area of forest for conservation and to train these AI models. For this type of large projects, you need a couple of drone operators. And what could have been a true pain of finding the right drone operators with the right equipment, drones, batteries, insurance. Are they really drone operators? Are they certified? Do they fly by law? Just turned into a few clicks into our platform and a request drone data. This is one of my favorite projects. We are working together with the UN branch that combats desertification, mostly in Africa, the UNCCD. And the Great Green Wall is an initiative of 8,000 kilometers of life and hope across Africa. Its purpose is to restore up to 100 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. The UNCCD had a problem. There's this beautiful tree called the baobab tree, the tree of life, that it's really important in many countries in Africa. They wanted to identify it, where is it? But they couldn't because of the lack of high-resolution data. So what we did is flying across 4 kilometers of land, which compared to the whole project is not a lot. And we teach this model how the baobab tree is supposed to look like with drone data compared to satellite data. What before was mistaken by a bush, by another type of tree, or just not seen in a model, turned into accurate data that could accurately analyze thousands of hectares from 4 kilometers of drone flying. We enable these projects to happen by making drone data simpler than ever before. We are truly scalable because we send out local drone operators that know the local language, that know the local land, that know the local laws, and that are not that far away as 10,000 kilometers from the project's developers. This is all backed up by our solution, our platform, where you can get drone data from anywhere in the world with just a few clicks away. You request the data, we match you with the right drone operator, and then after the collection is done, you download it, or we send it directly to your software of preference. We have a true global coverage. We have more than 6,000 drone operators in 122 countries in the world. And we are the world's first crowd droning data marketplace. We have an API integration that helps SDG projects globally. Since 2015, we have impacted the life of more than 30 million people across the world thanks to our work in infrastructure, telecom towers, wind turbines, power grid, solar panels, and thanks to our work in water pollution, oil spillings, and thanks to our work in forestry. But we want more. That's why we are aiming to close a Series A in June next year. And with this capital, we aim to reach and impact the life of 3.8 billion people across the world, thanks to growth and automation of the platform. We want to impact these lives by providing high-resolution, accurate drone data across the world, empowering local communities and local drone operators to fix this faulty view of reality. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.